Start.
Good morning and Jai Hind to one and all present over here. I, KASHISH, and I am going to conduct today's beautiful morning assembly. So friends, join your hands and close your eyes for the prayer.
मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है आसी है आंधियां तो कर उनको खैर मकदम आती है आंधियां तो कर उनको खैर मकदम तूफान से ही तो लड़ने खुदा ने तुझे गढ़ा है कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है मेरा खुदा बड़ा है मेरा खुदा बड़ा है अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरना अग्नि में तप के सोना है और भी निखरना दुर्गम को पार करके हिमालय कोई चढ़ाए जाएगी रंग में आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन लाएगी रंग में आखिर तुम्हारी एक दिन होगा विशाल दरबार वो बीच जो पड़ा है कीमत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है.
Now here is SAKSHAM to say something on the contribution by our famous mathematicians.
Good morning and Jai Hind. I am SAKSHAM and I am going to tell the contribution of famous mathematician in the world of mathematics.
एक दूसरे से ही रिलेटेड है. एक थियरी ऑलरेडी है जो
One who introduced the approximate value of pi, which he found it to be 3.1416. Number 2. The famous Indian mathematician Brahmagupta introduced that the product of two negative integers is always a positive integer. Number 3. The famous German mathematician Albert Einstein introduced the several equations to the calculation and the geometry, 10 of which are called Einstein field equation. Number 4. The famous Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan introduced the theory of numbers and discoveries of properties of the partition functions. Number 5. The famous English mathematician Isaac Newton contributed the binomial theorem to the non-integers exponent and many more. Thank you.
Thank you, SAKSHAM. Now here is Naman to share his views on the uses of maths in our daily life.
Good morning and Jai Hind. I am Naman Kumar of class 7B and I am going to tell you about uses of maths in our daily life. We all use mathematics in our each and every work we do. Example, when we are playing, when we are cooking, when we are drawing, and so on. Like when we cook, we need to measure the amount of water, rice, salt, etc. And when we draw, we measure the lines and shapes. So we understand mathematics is all around us. By this, I want to thank my teacher for this golden opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Naman. This was from our side for today. I would like to request Durgeshwari ma'am to share her views.